He has some showers on the way to us come tomorrow.
Okay.
But the weather has been great.
It has.
So a little interruption there. And yes, we are tracking the tropics. Thinking of our friends in the Caribbean, we keep warning about Jamaica because Jamaica, well, we'll get to that, but they will likely see the worst hurricane that they've seen in history to make landfall in that area. As we look outside, closer to home here, we have temperatures that are nice. 84 in Tampa, St. Petersburg at 83, and 81 in Clearwater. Temperatures are near normal, but the dew point's lower than what it usually is, and it feels fantastic. It's very pleasant, especially in the morning and at night, so take advantage of the drier weather. Yes, we have a few showers on the way, but also the dew points will be on the rise too, only briefly. We're looking at that to start up tomorrow. You'll start to feel that mugginess in the air, and then Monday and Tuesday especially, but that's coming with some rain as well. Then we have another front on the way, and we'll have some of the coolest air of the season right on our doorstep, right in time for Halloween. So some of those trick-or-treaters may want some sleeves on those costumes. As we look at our satellite and radar here, we have a big broad area of low pressure that's currently spitting out some showers, especially as you look across Louisiana, starting to inch its way a little bit closer to the panhandle. This system will make its way over to us, but you can see it's already lost a lot of its power. If anybody was looking at the show yesterday, watching with us, this system was bringing some severe weather across a big portion of Texas. So the weather did calm down out there to the west. Here we have been sitting nice and pretty. A couple clouds out there, otherwise nice forecast. Looking at futurecasts starting this tomorrow afternoon, because again, tonight we're not expecting any rain. For tomorrow around lunchtime, most of the rain will start off around the East Coast. We do have those winds coming in from the east, so that will blow in some moisture from the Atlantic first. And again, these showers will start to drift over, especially as we move into the afternoon hours. Not everybody's going to see them, but a downpour not out of the question, as well as a storm. And again, that's because of that easterly moisture. We could have showers across Polk County, Highlands County, and even closer to our coastal areas between the hours of about 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I wouldn't necessarily cancel any plans for this rain, just keep it in the back of your mind that a downpour is possible. It's just not everybody's going to see this rain. Originally, we had a weather impact alert for this system, but the rain chances are looking low enough that long as we tell you that some areas will absolutely receive rain, it's not going to be a widespread washout. You can keep that in mind, and we would just want you to be prepared for that, not caught off guard. We would talk about how much rain we could receive. Again, we're talking about a 20 to 30% chance. Those odds for heavier rain are higher the more north you go and the more east you go, and that's just because of that easterly moisture, those winds that are breezy, as well as that low pressure system that's mainly moving up to the north. Now, we are getting some breezier winds with this. We have a small craft advisory in effect until tomorrow 8 p.m. For tonight, we fall down into the lower 70s. Some areas up to the north will absolutely be cooler than that. It's another gorgeous night. Eye on the tropics here. Melissa did strengthen to a hurricane earlier today, and guess what? This is rapidly going to intensify and will be a major hurricane by tomorrow. You can see how much the winds increase. They are now at 90 miles per hour. Earlier today, just a few hours ago, these winds were at 75 miles per hour. The pressure also dropped, and it's moving very, very slowly at 3 miles per hour. So when this system's near stationary, as it has been, that's when it dumps a ton of rain. It's been doing just that for southern Hispaniola. Now Jamaica's starting to see those outer rain bands, but again, any plans need to be wrapped to completion tonight. For Jamaica, we're really thinking of our friends out there. 7-day forecast, weather returns to the pleasant and dry, sunny category as we move toward Halloween.